Josue registered me. He's one of the most kind-hearted individuals that I have the pleasure to meet in the recent year. Your hospital is very fortunate to have him as an employee. Thank you, Josue, for your exceptional customer service. I appreciate you and the excitement that you bring to your job.
Everyone at Jackson General was friendly and more than helpful, especially Miss Cynthia at the front door. She was so kind, and even though I could not see her face, I know she was smiling through her mask as I was being checked in. She made me feel so welcome, and I will never forget her sweet spirit. Okay. Wow.
Dr. Ort was kind and professional. He thoroughly explained things and patiently answered my questions. Great doctor.
Jackie was wonderful. This was my first time at North facility for my mammogram, and I will definitely schedule there again. She's made me feel so comfortable while I was there. She was so knowledgeable in her area of work, and it shows that she enjoys what she does. I have bragged about exceptional treatment to my friends at work already and recommend they come to North for their mammogram too. It's so sweet. It makes me want to cry.
Okay. My nurse, Kristen, provided me with the best. I'm really emotional about her. You should do this for the latter part. My nurse, Kristen, provided me with the best care I've ever had at Jackson General. She was kind, she was professional, and an absolute patient advocate. She was amazing.
I believe my tech's name was Dave or David, and he was absolutely phenomenal. He was kind, personable, informative, and very attentive. He did everything he could to make sure I was comfortable during my MRI, and he checked on me frequently throughout the scan. He was just terrific. I would highly recommend him to perform an MRI for anyone I know.
Elizabeth is the best, so caring and always providing excellent care. I recommend people to her all the time. She's a true gem to your office.
Dr. Shawson has always been very thorough, friendly, and I always felt he had my best interest in mind. I feel very confident in his care.
Amanda has an excellent professional attitude while being able to relate at a grassroots level. She is very knowledgeable about her area of expertise and is willing to answer any questions about the procedure and equipment. A great asset to your hospital, a breath of sunshine to have encountered such a wonderful service. Keep up the great attitude and work, Miss Amanda. Thanks for your service.
I was very nervous coming to the hospital for my surgery. I will never forget Laquita in admissions. She showed me so much compassion in such a short time and calmed my anxiety. I truly feel that God placed her in my path that morning. Thank you, Laquita, for easing my journey.
Amazing. We need this. Yeah, this is what I was born to do. This is what I was meant to do.
I love my patients and I love making them feel comfortable and at home, and I enjoy what I do, and I like that they appreciate what I do.
I feel great and satisfied, and that's why I do what I do.
I mean, that makes me feel really good because we work really hard to make a stressful situation a little easier for the patient.
I've been doing this for several years now, and I've been really blessed to have so many great patients that have been with me throughout my whole career. I take care of whole families from babies to grandparents, and so I've really been able to develop really special relationships with people for several years. And that relationship is so special. I'm so honored that they trust me with their care. I love my patients, and want to give my very best to them. So it's such an honor to care for people across generations for so many years.
Well, it made me feel in one way happy, but at the same time honored to be able to deliver a quality of patient that pretty much the patients coming to the hospital looking for this kind of care. I treat patients the same way I want my family to be treated, and I feel the pain that when they're coming, they are not, sometimes they're discouraged, sometimes they're in fear, but if you make them feel welcome to the home that they don't know, they feel welcome as a home that they become to the hospital, a place where they come for care and services. So I'm very honored to deliver expectation for the hospital where I work, and be honored to be working here West Tennessee Healthcare.
Well, it's overwhelming to hear it. So often there's so much negativity going on in the world today, so it's great to hear good comments. And the bottom line to me is my goal is to try to provide care that I would for my own family and friends. So when I hear something like that, it certainly affirms that feeling. So I hope that will always be the case.
It's an amazing feeling. I personally the feeling comes from the good man above. This is all him, and it's a blessing for him to use me to experience this and to show my love, my compassion, and to be a reflection of my whole team, the PAS team and management.
I mean, I like what I do, and I'm glad that what I do helps somebody else, and that somebody took the time to even acknowledge that is, makes you feel good.
It's a word that we use very loosely, but that was her way of showing me love. And that's not enough that we show now. Love and compassion is something that we really need. We never know what people are going through when they walk through those doors. So if there's something that I can do to express to them that I care, I do. And she told me thank you, and whomever this person was, this meant a whole lot to me. I'm done. Okay. Y'all, this is so sweet.